Today I am back at Bramley Moore Dock to give you an update on the Everton Stadium build. Hello there, we're back on this sunny morning down at Bramley Moore Dock. We've had the drone up in the air this morning, we've got some footage to bring you, and we are here. So we've been up in the air, got some good shots of the site, and we're going to bring you them very soon. If you do like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, you can share, and you can leave us any comments in the comment section as well. So it has been a few weeks since I've been down here. We were restricted to a Sunday, but I had some news yesterday from Darren at Everton that we're now just allowed to fly any day we like, as long as we stick to the rules that have been set out, which we have done today. So we're just going to take a quick look at it from the ground, and then we'll get up in the air and get into the part you're waiting for. So there it is. It's coming along. I actually read somewhere it's due to be completed in a year's time, so there's not long to go now. There's now people working away on them gantries. I don't know whether you can see them from there, but there you go. Tell you what, it's a lovely sunny day today. Caught it right, caught the weather right for once. Right, we're going to get into this video. Enjoy, take care of yourselves, see you soon. bye.